Cool, it's 1:10 in the morning. I actually had no idea what time it was, but I actually got a lot done. This is all stuff I'm gonna put back in my storage unit. Look how organized I am. It's all stuff that doesn't have a home, but I'm gonna make it a home. It's literally all bottoms. It's all tank tops. I have an issue and I'm aware. This is just my bikinis and not even all of them.
Amazon shopping, delete that app.
It's on my Amazon bag now. We're still uploading pictures. Got all mad. She said that's way too much.
I didn't get mad, I just said that's way too much.
No, it's not. It's like, this is not even finished. Let's do a haul of everything I bought for my backpacking trip for who knows how long. So, a camera case came with a rain protector and a lot. So, hopefully my camera fits in here because right now it's in this big bag. My memory cards, I'm crazy. Like, cute. In here, but I don't know that I want to keep all the memory cards on me, so or if it's perfectly. Kind of wondering if my other ones fits. Okay, so they're my locks, but I also have these locks. It's heavier. Oh god. I bought this because I thought it was a waterproof bag. It's not really that material. I opened it earlier, but yeah. Oh my god, it's broken. Okay, it's not broken, but I don't like that the zippers are on opposite sides because then it's like I can't lock them, but I guess I can lock one at a time and leave one unlocked. Kind of actually like it. Kind of a vibe. And I think you can maybe make this longer. Probably. My mom already had and just gave me. These are my pants. I could honestly leave them like this. Would probably save room in my bag. Because I got at Best Buy, which I've been needing this anyway. These I already had and they're going in my bathroom bag. Target run. I got hair feathers, which I'm gonna put in my hair tomorrow. Towels. Everyone tries to put them on, and I am not fucking with not having a clean towel. I got 2 more of these. I have 2. I'm actually gonna bring 4. I will not have a dead phone. Packing cubes. Spent way more money on them just for them to be cheated. Whatever. Packing patches for my backpack. I'm gonna be the rich. Bathroom bag. That actually worked really well. There you go. Oh. Literally 8 o'clock at night, pitch fucking black. But I put all my clothes away, so now I have to get more.